There's one tiny change you can make to your emails that has boosted click-through rates by 218%. And no, it's not some best time to send nonsense or switching your font to Helvetica. This is structural. It rewires how people move through your email, and when you nail it, they can't help but click. More on that in a second. What I'm going to walk you through today is what I call the 1-3-1 structure. It's the heart of something I teach called the conversion architecture system, which turns flabby, chaotic emails into high-performance machines. And I'll show you exactly how it works. Real steps, real layout, but you've got to stick around because the payoff is in how it all snaps together. Now, you've probably seen the emails I'm talking about. They look like digital flea markets. Navigation bars up top, 4 CTAs, and a quote from the CEO nobody asked for. They're doing too much. They're confusing, and they're quietly killing your conversions. Why? Because people aren't reading, they're scanning. Your readers are juggling a toddler in one hand and a latte in the other while checking your email on a moving train. If your message doesn't light up like a flare gun in the first second, it dies in the scroll. So that's where the 1-3-1 structure comes in. One big idea, 3 quick reasons, 1 irresistible action. Let me show you how that unfolds. You start with a headline that punches. Not welcome to our newsletter Q3 update, but something that slaps eyeballs open. For example, this trick doubled our trial signups in 7 days. That's your single idea. Make it count, bold it, make it the biggest thing in the email. Then under that, your 3 support bullets, 3 simple sentences. Each one gives a fast, vivid payoff for your reader. And here's the power move. Each bullet should build on the last. You're stacking curiosity and emotional buy-in with every line. Think of it like this. No more hunting for broken links. We fixed that for you. 1 click adds this to your calendar. No logins, no drama. You'll know within 90 seconds if it's right for you. Yes, really, that's your rhythm. Short, sharp, forward-moving. Now here comes the trampoline, the call to action. You're not burying this thing in some gray footer with 6 other links. That button, it's big, it's bright, it's alone, and it lives just below those 3 bullets because that's where the eye naturally lands. If someone just skims, headline, 3 bullets, button, they've absorbed enough to act. You've built a path that feels effortless. 1 idea, 3 wins, 1 action. That's why it works. And get this, when this layout was heat mapped in tests, clicks, and hovers, skyrocketed. People didn't just view more. They moved faster, and more of them clicked. In one campaign I audited, the before and after difference was nuts. Trial signups jumped 94% just from swapping out a cluttered layout for this exact 1-3-1 structure. But there's more layered into this. This isn't just about simplicity. It's about exhausting decision fatigue before it kills momentum. When you give readers 6 buttons, they pick none. The brain freezes up. But when you guide their attention like a visual funnel, top to bottom, head to toe, they act almost by default. Now, let me hit pause and throw a little reverse psychology at you. You can keep throwing everything at the inbox like a digital spaghetti test, hoping one strand sticks, or you can give people the one thing they need to see, then make it dead simple for them to act on it. Distractions? Out of the way. No learn more links. No view in browser. This isn't a suggestion list. It's a guided path. And hey, I'm not saying you can never link other stuff. You absolutely can. Just treat those things like shadows. Low text links tucked at the bottom, maybe in smaller font. The spotlight belongs to your main CTA. Always. This goes double on mobile. Because here's the stat you can't ignore. Over half your list is checking email on phones. That means a 3-column layout with a sprinkled salad of buttons isn't just ugly, it's invisible. The 1-3-1 layout, it thrives on single column. It's built for it. Let's break that visual flow down again if you're writing right now. Headline, 24 to 30 pixels, bold, no fluff. 3 bullets short, 1 to 2 lines, maybe icons to help scan. Button, bright, big, centered, higher contrast than your toothbrush. And spacing matters too. Crammed copy tanks performance. If you can't breathe reading it, they'll never finish. Use white space like it's a design element, which it is. Each section needs its own air. Let the eye rest, then glide naturally to the next point. And please, for the button, don't get cute with labels. Discover more or submit is a crime. Make it action first. Try it now. Or see it in action, or claim your spot. Clarity trumps clever every time. So how do you know if this is working? Track it. Try running an A/B test where everything is the same content, subject line, audience, but one uses the 1-3-1 structure and the other is the usual buffet. When companies do this, real results follow. One SaaS platform saw a 37% jump in mobile clicks alone with this layout. Another sliced help desk traffic because users were finally finding what they needed in one email, in one click. But you want to know the best part? It trains your audience to trust your clarity. If your emails feel easy to act on, people stop skipping them. Readership goes up, action goes up, confusion goes down. And suddenly, people respond like they're supposed to. And here's a meta kicker. This exact video, it follows the 1-3-1 idea too. I started with one main hook, one change boosts conversions. I gave you 3 reasons why. And now I've got one request. If this resonated and you want more like this, more strategies that blend persuasion and brain science to fix your emails, I break the whole system down inside my book, The Connect Method for Email Marketing. It's loaded with examples, deeper frameworks, heat map studies, and copy breakdowns that'll make your inbox a revenue machine. You'll learn to write emails that feel easy to click because they're built that way. So hit the link in the description, grab the book. And if you want to see more copy breakdowns like this, subscribe to the channel and I'll keep bringing the goods. Let's build something people actually want to click. Hit that link and I'll see you on the inside.